Welcome to Budgeting Basics, how to use the budget worksheet. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use this Excel worksheet to quickly analyze your budget and get a clearer picture of your overall financial situation. I have included a link to the spreadsheet with built-in formulas. Feel free to pause the video and download the worksheet. Be sure to save it to your computer and save your work regularly as you enter information. Before we begin, please remember to enter information only in the pink cells. The remaining cells contain formulas that automatically perform calculations. If you accidentally type in the wrong place, simply use the undo button. If something goes terribly wrong, don't worry, you can always download a fresh copy of the worksheet. When you open the file, it should display the Monthly Budget tab. If it doesn't, click on the Monthly Budget tab at the bottom of the workbook. You'll notice that the worksheet already contains sample numbers. These are placeholders designed to show you where information belongs. Simply replace them with your own data. Let's start with your net income, also known as your take-home pay. This is the amount you receive after taxes and other deductions have been taken out. Whether you're paid weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or earn irregular income from sources such as tips or gig work, enter the total amount you earned for the month. Next, gather your financial information, including pay stubs, bills, receipts, bank statements, or information from your banking and credit card apps. Now, enter your essential expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, and other necessary monthly costs. As you enter information, you'll notice the totals update automatically. The worksheet calculates your total income, total expenses, and remaining balance. Don't focus too much on the numbers until you've entered all of your income and expenses for the month. Once you've finished, you'll have a much clearer understanding of where your money is going and where opportunities may exist to save. Now let's take a quick look at the additional tabs. The 7-day tracker helps you monitor spending throughout the week. Since many purchases happen with just a click, it's easy to lose track of spending. Recording purchases as they occur can help you stay aware of your habits and spending patterns. The Needs versus Wants tab allows you to categorize expenses and identify areas where spending can be reduced if needed. This exercise can be especially helpful when building savings or preparing for unexpected expenses. Finally, the Setting Goals What If tab allows you to explore potential saving scenarios. For example, if you reduce dining out expenses, the worksheet can estimate how much money you could save over time. Sometimes, seeing the numbers on paper makes financial goals feel much more achievable. Remember, understanding your finances is the first step toward reaching your financial goals. It may not always be fun, but knowledge is powerful, and every small step moves you closer to where you want to be. Save your worksheet so you can continue updating it throughout the course. I also recommend saving a separate copy for your Budgeting Basics character profile to make activities and calculations easier to complete. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.